Before you choose a bank for your business, there are different factors you need to consider. In this video, we will discuss these factors. Let's just jump straight into the video. This is Business Media TV. My name is Mimi, the Business Advisor. On this channel, we advise business owners on how to start, grow, and sustain their businesses. If you're new to this channel, we would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel so you can get more information about businesses. Number one factor: introductory offers and bonuses. It's common for major banks to entice new customers with an introductory bonus to entice you to switch to their banks. An extra $100 or so shouldn't be the main factor when choosing a bank account. But with all things being equal, and when one bank offers you extra spending money as an incentive for choosing them, then you can make your decision based on that. Number two, service fees. Most business checking accounts will come with a monthly charge that the bank assesses as a service fee. Banks that offer business checking accounts with more features tend to charge a higher service fee. A few extra cash each month may not seem like it makes a huge difference, but unless you're going to use those extra features, like no fee transactions and deposits, wire transfers, payroll services, it's usually not worth paying the extra fees to maintain your account. Some banks will waive some service fee if you meet certain criteria, like as maintaining a minimum daily balance or getting another finance product from them. So don't hesitate to ask if the bank can waive the fee or what you can do to get your fee waived. Number three, early termination fees. Some banks and bank accounts have early termination fees attached to them if you don't keep them open for a certain amount of time. If you are not sure what would happen when you close a checking or savings account before your bank terms stipulates it's okay to do so, find out about the consequences of closing a bank account early before you set up the account. Number four, minimum account balance. Some banks may not have a minimum balance requirement, others may. In addition, some banks require a minimum first deposit in order to activate your account and make yourself eligible for bonuses. Check with the bank representative and read the terms and conditions thoroughly before signing. Number five, transaction fees. A transaction could be cash or check deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and electronic payment. Specifically inquire if the checking account allows for unlimited free transactions. If not, find out how many transactions are free before you're charged by the bank. Number six, deposit fees. Some banks allow a certain number each month before levying a fee. Some have a limit on the deposit transaction itself. For example, not more than $1,000 per day or maximum $10,000 deposits per month. If you run a cash-heavy business or make frequent deposits, you need to keep these in mind. If you've been getting value from this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more information. Number seven, customer service. Read reviews about a bank's customer service before you sign up with them. Do they have 24/7 customer service hours so you can reach them at any time? Can you contact in person, via phone, online chats if there is a problem? Number eight, wire transfer. Wire transfer is sending money from one bank to another banking institution electronically. If your business receives funds via a wire transfer or plans to send wires, ask the customer service representative how many free wire transfers the bank allows each month and the amount you may be charged for going over. Number 9, location. If you'll be running to the bank every day to get change, make deposits, or conduct businesses. Make sure that your business bank is close to your establishment to cut down on travel time and hassle. If you have an e-commerce business and conduct all your transactions online, access to a physical branch is not that important. Check with your business checking account bank to see if they offer online banking features like an app you can use to check your financials at any time. Number 10, ease of integration with the cloud. As more and more businesses move to the cloud for accounting, invoicing, expensing, and other financial transactions, check to see if the bank offers integrations with modern software apps, particularly if you're already using a variety of financial or accounting software apps. Number 11, interest rates. Ask if the bank offers interest rates on business checking accounts. This allows for your business to make money on business profits, so it does not hurt to ask this question. Number 12, plan check signing authorities. Set up the check signing task with checks and balances in place. If your business includes a partner or staff members, make sure your business checks require 2 or more signatures as needed. Make sure you specify if this will be for all amounts of checks or maybe once it exceeds a dollar value. Make these decisions before opening your account and you will avoid the pains of making changes later. Number 13, flexibility with debit cards. If you plan to add anyone other than yourself to your business, it can make sense to give them a debit card. Most banks or credit unions that deal with businesses give you the flexibility to add additional card holders and choose a cash advance and purchase limits for those cards. This guarantees that your employees can buy what they need to do their job. Some banks charge for this feature and other banks don't offer it at all, so ask about this upfront. Question of the day: what stood out to you as far as the things you need to consider before choosing a bank for your business account? Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.